Investing in index funds can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, and Fidelity index funds are a popular choice among investors. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you get started. First, it is essential to understand what index funds are. Index funds are a type of investment that tracks a specific stock market index, such as the S&P 500. They offer broad diversification and can be less expensive than actively managed funds. When selecting Fidelity index funds, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are a beginner, it may be a good idea to start with a total stock market index fund, which provides exposure to a wide range of stocks. For example, Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index Fund is a low-cost option that tracks the performance of large-cap stocks. Another key concept to consider is expense ratio, which is the cost of investing in a fund. Fidelity index funds generally have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed funds. Look for funds with low expense ratios to help maximize your returns. In addition to expense ratio, it is crucial to evaluate the tracking error of a fund, which measures how closely the fund's performance matches the underlying index. A lower tracking error indicates that the fund is doing a better job of tracking the index. When building a portfolio with Fidelity index funds, consider diversifying across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and international stocks. This can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. For example, you could allocate 60% of your portfolio to a total stock market index fund, 20% to a total bond market index fund, and 20% to an international stock index fund. Finally, it is essential to have a long-term perspective when investing in index funds. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations and stick to your investment plan. By following these tips and best practices, you can create a well-diversified portfolio with Fidelity index funds that helps you achieve your investment goals.